Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Enos over at Paper Crafting with Enos. She is hosting a hashtag Memdex Madness challenge, and she is asking for you to send in a Memdex card, a handmade embellishment, and to do a VR. I will be sure to link her channel down below. This is the project that I've created for her. I decided to send flat mail. It costs about 87 cents to send out the packages that I usually send out for these challenges. I always keep the card fronts flat so that I could put more stuff on the inside. This is the inside of my project. Let me show you what I'm sending her. First, we have the Memdex card. I've decided to do a fruit themed using the cherry. I added some of the clay bits to the corners, some stickles, and I had this little paper bow in my stash. I used my Cricut cartridge Hello Kitty to make the cherries. I have a tiny word sticker right here that says Sweet Life, and I did include my information on the back like she had requested. For the handmade embellishments, I made some extra cherries to share with her. Hopefully she can use these in her projects or in her Happy Mails. And then I'm also sending her some matching dewdrops that are in the colors black, green, and red. Let me show you some of the products that I used to create these. I used this Memdex die that I picked up at a yard sale. I really like this one because it has the stitched middle, which makes a really nice layering piece, so it fits perfectly on the Memdex card itself. I used the paper tray ink and My Creative Time mini envelopes for the inside. And I have this stamp set from Scrappy Mom's Food for Thought. Those products I used in here, the stamp as well as the envelopes. And I decided to make this pocket clear so you could see the Memdex card. And I'll show you how I'll be sending it out. And that is my entry for Enos over at Paper Crafting with Enos. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys!